Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Radhika Tech Hub. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to set up the tailwind CSS in our React project. Let's get started. Before going to start, we have to install the tailwind CSS, right? So I am showing the site which we are using. We have to get into this link, get started. Here we are having framework guides. You can also see that's Next.js, Angular, Ruby. So we are using the React app. So we have already set up our React project. If you are don't know, means you can get into my previous video how to create a React app in Visual Studio. So already we completed the React setup in our Visual Studio. So we have to install in Tailwind CSS. So we have to copy, get into a terminal. We have to paste here, enter. It takes time to install. Here you can see the tailwind.config. After that installation will complete, automatically the tailwind.config will be created. The file will be created. The only we have to change that in the content place. We will not get all this. So we can paste all this code also, or else you can update only content part also. So I am copying this. Yeah, it has been completed. You can observe here tailwind.config.js file. In the content part we are not getting anything, so I'm copied completely. You can also update only content, or else you can copy all code. I'm copying. So it's updated. Have to save. After that we have to add these tailwind based components utilities also in our index.js file. You can remove all this body or code, or else you can keep this and add also. I'm adding here. I'm removing all this. I'll keep it in a comment. If you requirements you can use. So we are updated here. So after saving we all get. So now how that will be affected to our components, we will see how the styling will be happen. We can see that I'm created already home.gss component. So I'm taking the h1 tag. So directly we can add the stylist. You all know that inline styling like that only will happen. You can also do the responsive styling also for the mobile devices and for large devices, for tab devices. I'm taking the text, right. I want to size in a larger size. This h1 will not be reflected. First you will see the h1. We all know that that is a complete high standard size, right? So that will not, anything will not be affected if h1 or h6 will, everything will be in small size itself. You can see here. So welcome to my channel. Oh, we are not started our application, that's why it is not reflecting, guys. Guys, you can see we are taken as a H1 tag, but the size will be too small, right? As a H6, H5. You can take H1 tag or H5 tag or H4 tag. Nothing will be reflected. Only whatever we required size, you can only adjust that. Like you can use SM as it is small. First of all, I will start from 3XL. Now you can see it is the size how big. Now I change it to 2XL. Little bit small. We can also XL use or a little bit. We can also have a medium size. Nothing more reflected medium. This. You can also use a small size. H6 reflection like this is. Now we will use the large. Okay, we will keep last as XL. Oh, we have to visible, right? I am using 3XL now. And I want to change the text to bold. You can see guys here how bold it is. And we can also use semi bold also. And it will show how it will be. You can directly here find width. So I'm using right now text transformation for uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, normal case. Directly you can like do this text uppercase, like whatever it is, text uppercase or uppercase also you can. So everything should be in uppercase. Uppercase. Now use capitalize. You can see the starting letters to be a capital. Everything will be in a small case. This is the how the tailwind set will be set up in our React project. In the upcoming video, I'm going to design the login page using of tailwind CSS.